Hello everybody, today in front of me I have this Nubia Red Magic 5S smartphone, and in this video we will show how you can set the Opera as your default browser on this device. In order to do that, just open up the settings. Here scroll down until you stumble upon the app info category. At the app info menu, go for the three dots on the top right corner of your display, default app settings, and at the default app settings page, look for the browser. And here all that it's left to do is to tap and select Opera, and that will ultimately mean that, as you can see, the Opera has been successfully set as your default browser. There is also the second way to do so. In order to execute it, you gotta open up the Opera browser itself. Here at the bottom right corner, tap on your avatar, go to this gear that stands for settings, and scroll down until you stumble upon the default browser tab. Click on next, select Opera, and set as default. And that was it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!